What's up, silly fuckers? Alright, so we're here doing an unboxing. And we're gonna unbox some stuff.
Yeah, yes.
Wonder what could be in these tiny little boxes. It's my digital clock. So we're gonna replace our good old analog clock with a fun little digital one.
Wait a second. Can't you just look at the time on your phone? Yeah, they're all black-faced gauges.
Yeah, so there's one. Now our second one, we got them from Summit Racing.
Oh yeah, we got so many Summit and Jegs stickers.
Yeah. This is my oil pressure gauge.
Yup. It is also black-faced. Racist!
Oh. Jesus, place.
This is the Expendi box.
Expendi box.
Expendo box.
This is also a black-faced gauge. This is my wideband O2 sensor.
Yeah, so we're gonna put them in here. These holes right here. Those are gonna go.
Yeah,
in here.
we're gonna have to figure out, you know, how they fit because they're
smaller. Yes.
But we'll figure it out.
Yeah. Alright guys, so we got all these cracks and stuff knocked down, and basically what we're trying to do is, I don't have the level right now, but what you're trying to do is you're trying to set, we're setting the level across here and making sure that it doesn't rock like this, because if it rocks like this, we know that the sides of these need to come down. So that's what we're doing, is we're trying to knock these down so everything sits flat on here so we can start laying filler. It looks like it's to that point, so what I'm going to do now is wax and grease remove this dash, mix up some filler, and start laying it down. I'm really excited to start laying it down in here so we can start getting this shape, and it's going to start looking really good. What have you been doing, bruh?
I've been figuring out these gauges, kind of. So we have this one figured out completely. Basically, for this one, I'm just going to hot glue it, make sure it's nice and straight, and hot glue it back here.
Alright, well that was a fucking slop job. So I just laid it down there as best as I could to, it's gonna be a fuck ton of sanding.
That was your best?
And then we'll go over it later.
Jesus!
And
looks like shit! Fuck!
We'll go over it later, and then we'll do, you know, we'll lay it a little bit more.
Have you ever laid filler before? Because it doesn't look like it.
Bro, I've never even been laid, bro.
Don't you have a kid?
So for sure I'm not doing any laying. It's not mine, bro. Texture coating, this is what we're going to use on it. Hopefully it turns out good. I've seen other videos and people have used this before and it looks pretty good, so I don't know, we'll fucking find out, I guess.
2,000 years later.
Hello, it's me again.
What are we doing, dude?
We're doing dash stuff.
We're doing dash stuff. We're gonna finish this fucking disaster.
Here it is.
Dash-aster.
Bad puns.
Bad puns are
yeah.
After this time lapse, Casey will show you what he did on his gauge pods. So
I will.
stay tuned, guys.
Or don't.
Casey over here has been hard at work. How fun is it?
This is not fun at all.
It's not fun?
No!
Yeah, but
I'm not even gonna fucking lie to you!
But would you just look at it?
just look at it.
Just go ahead and take a look there. Just look
I've been
at
looking at this for fucking forever, Aaron.
Well,
Look how
Jesus
smooth it is.
Christ.
but have you just stopped and just took a look at it?
We're working on it.
So yeah, this is what he's been doing. Gonna get you back in that time lapse though.
Yay.
All right, Casey has been busting ass
I've been sanding for like 5 hours.
5 hours of sanding and laying filler and sanding and laying filler, and it's about as close as he could get without karate chopping this fucking thing in half.
Yes.
So what we're gonna do is use this patented dope-ass, hopefully dope-ass, texture coating. We're gonna use that, and we're gonna just coat the shit out of this
And
and
hope
see
it
what
doesn't
happens.
look like garbage.
All right, well, let's get after it.
That sound effect so Casey.
Look at it. Look at it.
It's just me, Mr. Restore Your Dash.
Look at this thing, guys. It looks so perfect. Yeah, look at this thing, guys. So we have the black pods that Casey had modified to put in there, and now we're gonna cut to an edited photo of what it will look like because we didn't have anything to wire it up here. So we're gonna cut to there right now. That's what it's gonna look like when it's all lit up, and it looks phenomenal. But Casey did a phenomenal job on this dash.
Thanks.
There are no cracks at all. It looks really good for how messed up it was.
Yeah, it's not perfect. I can see a few things in here, but we're also going to, because we use this texture spray or whatever, and it turned out like really matte colored, so we're going to use some vinyl paint on top of it to make it look a little bit more glossy and shiny and stuff.
Yeah.
But pretty happy with it, and I'm going to print something like a little hood type thing for the cluster here, so it's going to fit right up here, and it's going to look really cool.
Let's show them what else we made.
Oh yeah, we made some louvers.
We made louvers. They are fucking dope. Look at how like supercar these things look.
Yeah, we haven't mounted them, as you can probably see, but I've been designing a couple mounting type deals that are going to slip under the seal and have a little stud they're going to drill through here, that'll actually bolt it to the back window. But Jocelyn's going to design some standoffs here so it doesn't sag in the middle or anything. But
yeah, but it looks really good, and we're gonna make these. We're gonna start mass producing these and selling these. So if any of you guys are interested, let us know.
Yeah.
Also, we made some dope ass LED taillights, and we will cut to them right here. Yeah, those things are super dope, and we're going to be working on them and perfecting them and getting them better. And we got that 3D printer, and it's been dope. We've just been 3D printing everything and just trying to design anything that we can for these cars.
And also, not shown in this video, and I mean, it was dark under the car, but diffs, I mean, the diff was in there, but I got axles and new mustache bar bushings and stuff in there, so that's all buttoned up for good, finally.
Yeah, we got the whole rear end's done, all the fuel's done, the drive shaft's in there. All we have to do is build an exhaust, get some new tires, and we can actually get this thing down on the ground, which is gonna be dope.
Been flying for like a year and a half.
Let's not talk about it.
Short episode.
Short episode. We're gonna save you from watching 5 hours of sanding, but you kind of get an idea what the kind of stuff we've been making, 3D printing stuff, making louvers, fitting all these digital gauges and stuff, and the next episodes to come are gonna be super technical and full of all kinds of cool gizmos and
Fun
stuff.
things.
Yeah, so we're really excited about that.
Well, guess what?
Like and subscribe.